Information Engineering, and today I will give you guys my lecture about the fundamental knowledge of the cloud computing. And our courses is divided into 4 chapters. The first chapter is an overview of the cloud computing, normally saying what is the cloud computing. And then the second chapter is about the cloud computing service providers and what are the cloud computing service providers in China and in the world. And then the third chapter is about some advantage and characteristic of the cloud computing. And then the next chapter is about the type of cloud computing service, key technologies, and it's also about how to deployment for. And let's look at them one by one. So first of all, let's take a look at the overview of the cloud computing. We say that cloud computing has played a very important role in our life. For example, we use apps like search engine and music software. In fact, their servers are running on. In fact, the servers are running on the cloud. Their business is running on the cloud. And for example, a taxi software, right? In fact, the company behind taxi software may not have a car, so he deployed his business software on the cloud and provide us with a car rental or the car service. This is an application of the cloud computing. There are many applications in today's life. For example, we use the cloud computing electronic calendar, right? Like the first one. And we say that electronic calendar is convenient for us to record important festival or events. For example, what gifts should we buy for the Mother's Day? Or when should I go out to wash clothes? And so we say that we have electronic calendar on different devices. It can on my mobile phone, it can on my computer, and so on. But if every calendar needs to record, it will be difficult to take this. So is there a technology, let's say that a software able to let my electronic calendar can be synchronized on different devices? Then applying cloud computing electronic calendar can be done, right? And it solved the trouble of the recording many times on different devices. So this time, applying cloud computing electronic calendar will solve this problem. Then there is our email. Maybe our personal email is more, for example, in our daily life, I have my own email, right? And also in the work, I have my working email, right? So maybe when I receive my email message, I have to log in different email to check, to log in my own or log in my company's. Yeah, it's very hard to check the information. So is there a software or technology that utilize cloud computing? Are there any software solution available for the integrating multiple mailbox? In fact, there is the Google Gmail. The email service is one such solution that enable the integration of the different mailbox, correct? So it also allowed us to consolidate information from various mailboxes into a single interface, eliminating the need to log in separately for each mailbox. And with the software, we can conveniently access and view all our mailbox information. In addition to the email, we have various other applications at our disposal, such as map navigation. I mentioned how in the pre-GPS era, whenever I visit a new place, I had to purchase a map, a local map, or ask the local people by for the direction along the way, right? However, with the advent of map navigation software and cloud computing capabilities, we can now conveniently store map information on our cloud server. By simply opening the navigation software and entering our desired destination, we can effortlessly access detail like the distance measurement and the real-time road conditions. This exemplified one of the practical application of the cloud computing. So the application of the cloud computing is highly robust, encompassing not only map navigation, but also various other functionalities such as the personal network storage we always use. For instance, suppose I have a file stored on my computer that I wish to retain locally. In this case, it would be advantage for me to use a platform like Baidu Yun in China, Baidu Crowd in China, which is widely used by Chinese individuals and offer frequent accessibility. By uploading my file onto Baidu Crowd for backup purpose, I can safeguard against the potential damage or lose the data on my computer. Furthermore, the backup software stored on Baidu Cloud enable restoration of my documents when I need it. Apart from personal network storage capability, there are numerous other applications available within cloud computing, including online office solution, particularly during time when epidemic like the coronavirus years ago, posed significantly challenging in terms of physical presence at working place. One can remotely access their home-based source computer via a network connect for online office tasks. The application of cloud computing widely used in our daily life. And the definition provided by the Institute for National Standard and Technology in the United States. Cloud computing is a model that enable resources such as a network, servers, storage, applications, and service to be easily and on demand from a configurable shared pool of computing resource anytime, anywhere. Resources can be quickly supplanted and released to minimize the workload of managing resource and the interaction with service provider. So what does this mean? It means that I buy my IT resource in the past. I may have to go to the engineering company, yeah, or factory or store to buy the things, buy the equipment. After signing the contract, after signing the purchase contract, it may take a few days to for the store to send the equipment to my home. Yeah, my home. It will take a few days, and you and then help you to install them. Now, I just need to click on my server provider's website to get some IT resource I need, and I can immediately get this service after a few clicks. Just click the website, click the button on the website, which reduce the time of my interaction process. To put it bluntly, I said that cloud computing is a kind of service and automatically service is a network service of computing and storage, which can provide efficient and fast computing, storage, network security, and others. And other. So this is cloud computing. Now that we know that cloud computing, let's take a look at the development of the cloud computing. In 1955, we first proposed time sharing, which was called time sharing operation system. At that time, the internet had not yet come out, and some key technology of the cloud computing are not coming out yet. But computer has coming out. Computer has coming out. People say that if I have the computer, can I use the time sharing operation system? That is to say, could I divided my computer and share to different people at different times? This was proposed at the time due to the completely of our technology about the virtualization. The concept of the town sharing operation system was not reflected. And then in 1990s, we proposed grid computing. Grid computing is to integrate a large number of machines, a large number of my computer into a virtual super machine